I just wanted to go over some features of this before I put it to the test. I've been soaking my test cloth in water, and so we are ready to wash now. And it takes about 30 minutes to wash, but I just wanted to show you what to expect. So this is the whole unit. This is it. And this is the only thing you need to worry about. You can plug it into a USB adapter and into the wall, or you can do what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to turn this on using a power bank. So here is what it's like. So I have it plugged into the power bank, and now I'm going to turn it on. So that's what it is. It's vibrating at a very high rate of speed, just like that. So that's all there is to it. It's very simple. So now we're going to put it to the test and see if it can clean my piece of test cloth. Okay, there's how loud it is. It doesn't say whether you should agitate the water or, I don't know, move it around at all or anything like that. I keep moving it to the center and it kind of moves its way to the side, but you can see what it's doing. It's agitating the water a little bit. It's not agitating the whole bucket though, so we'll see what happens. I might just keep stirring it every once in a while as we go, just to make sure that all the, I don't know, that everything gets an even coating. But that is how it is. It's very simple. It has a bit of a hum, as you can hear. It's not deafening, but it's definitely noticeable. Okay, this is the final results. This side here is the Nival portable washer, and this right here is my own washing machine, and I also dried this one in the dryer. I did not dry this one in the dryer, so this one didn't have the benefit of fabric softener, but that shouldn't have affected the clean. And as you see, neither one really came out perfectly. So this is the Nival, and this was chip grease, potato chips smeared on it. Didn't quite get it out. But here, you see it really didn't get it out on the washing machine, which is kind of surprising because I would have expected the washing machine to do a better job. Here is wasabi. The wasabi didn't come out completely. And here is the washing machine wasabi, and neither did it. But I think it did a better job overall. This did a better job than the washing machine, and I'm really surprised about that. So I stained this area here with regular soda pop. That came out very easily. And this area up here I stained with caramel sauce, and that came out on both of them. Oh, maybe not a little bit there. So I would say that although neither of my results were perfect, the Nival actually surprised me and did a lot better.